Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best bar clamps that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Bar Clamps. While you are gathering your materials, one of the most important things you must not avoid is a clamp. To make any wooden piece, what we need to do most is clamping or attaching parts. Clamps do this job for us. The bar clamps reduce 80% of our workload. Bar clamps are the most used clamps among all other types. Before we start reviewing the best bar clamps from our selection. Number 5. Mr. Penn Bar Clamp Grip 4-inch Woodworking. Light duty, ideal for smaller work pieces and small projects. Prevent bending and flexing for proper positioning, releases the clamp instantly. Main features: 65 pounds of clamping force. Adjustable soft PVC pads. Constructed with steel bar. Number 4. Works Clamping Sawhorse Pair with Bar Clamps. The sawhorses themselves are made from rugged, and the clamps are steel. That's why they can support and squeeze so much. The clamps act like a second pair of very strong hands. Main features: lightweight and easy to move. Custom-made clamps. Storage shelf. Number 3. Jorgensen 6 inches Spreader/Bar Clamp Set. These bar clamps combine the speed and ease of single-handed use. 3/8 inch reach and furnished with soft and durable plastic pads. Suitable for a wide range of woodworking and DIY projects. Main features: high carbon steel. Light duty easy hold design. One-handed clamp. Number 2. WorkPro Bar Clamps for Woodworking 6-pack. The unique quick change button design allows the clamp to be in spreader as well. Just press the red button to take the jaw off and then reverse, you will get the spreader you need. Main features: high quality steel bars. Powerful clamping force. Lightweight. Number 1. Irwin Quick Grip Clamps One-Handed Mini Bar. Grip firmly and protect your workpiece from scratches and scuffs. One-handed triggers release the clamps instantly. Keep your workpiece together and evenly distribute 150 pounds of force. Main features: hardened steel bars. Quick grip design. Easy to use. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.